In today's review, I'm going to dive into the brand new AI software Fit AI and give you the 7 most important things you need to know before jumping in. If you're someone looking to enhance your fitness or streamline your workouts using cutting-edge tech, then this is the software you need to check out. First off, Fit AI brings an entirely personalized approach to fitness. What sets it apart is its ability to customize workout plans based on your body's unique data. This software doesn't just throw general routines at you, it adapts and learns about your progress, fitness level, and preferences. The AI actually improves your workouts as you continue using it. Now, one of the most crucial features that stand out is the fact that Fit AI doesn't just track basic stats like steps or calories burned. It integrates with multiple devices and gathers deep insights into your performance. It analyzes everything from muscle fatigue to recovery time. If you're serious about improving performance, Fit AI gives you the metrics that matter. But Fit AI isn't just about numbers. It focuses on providing a seamless user experience. The interface is smooth and intuitive, designed for anyone, whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro. And here's a huge benefit. Fit AI syncs effortlessly with most popular fitness apps and wearables, allowing you to gather data across your entire fitness ecosystem. Another point worth mentioning is how Fit AI keeps you accountable. It sets daily, weekly, and monthly goals tailored to your unique needs and progress. That means you're not just following a generic plan. You're following a plan that's specifically designed for your body and your goals. And as you hit those milestones, Fit AI rewards you with insights and tips to keep you on track. What about the workout variety? Fit AI offers an impressive array of workout styles, from cardio to strength training, yoga, and even rehabilitation routines. It's all about flexibility, so whether you're looking to build strength, improve endurance, or just stay healthy, Fit AI has got you covered. As for the AI's learning ability, it's surprisingly fast. It doesn't just give you the same workout over and over again. It learns from your feedback, adapts to changes in your body, and adjusts your program automatically. You'll get more efficient workouts without even having to think about it. Now, one of the most exciting things about Fit AI is the price point. It's actually accessible for most budgets, especially considering the level of personalization and insight it provides. If you're used to paying for personal trainers or high-end fitness apps, Fit AI offers a lot of value at a fraction of the cost. Finally, the reason why I recommend Fit AI to you is that you can try it completely free through the first link in the description below. If you've been on the fence about AI-powered fitness, this is your chance to see how it can truly elevate your workout routine. To wrap things up, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my list of recommended AI software, and Fit AI is absolutely worth considering for anyone serious about fitness. Make sure to check out the free trials linked below to explore Fit AI and more. Remember, this software isn't just about tracking stats. It's about making every workout smarter and more effective. Let me know your thoughts on how Fit AI works for you in the comments below.